Hey everybody, Andrew Baldwin, Baldwin Media here. Quote of the week. Let's get to it. Our quote this week comes from a song that I love the song. It's by a guy named Andy Mineo. Sorry, said his name wrong. But the line says simply this: It says, "What you expect? Once you level up, don't you know the boss is bigger?" It's so simple. It's something that we all know, right? Okay. Well, let's not say all. If you've ever played a video game, you know that level one is easier than level two, which is easier than level three, and so forth, right? If it's just back to my days, I'm going to tell my age a little bit. Super Mario Brothers, the original, Bowser gets harder and harder the further you chase into it. Those who are playing games that are a little bit more, recent, you have your equivalent. So just, work with me here. But you realize that as you get better, as you continue to grow and go level by level, that the boss then has to be that much harder. Nobody gets to the end of a level that's been like you fought with it for weeks, and maybe you don't understand that. If you've ever played video games, you understand this. You may have played this game and played for weeks on one level. When you get to the end of it, if the boss was easy, you'd actually be frustrated. You'd be upset. I fought and did all of that just for this. It doesn't make sense. Part of that enthusiasm, that happiness that comes is because you're able to meet the challenge and overcome it. And a lot of times we don't realize that. Whatever growth goal that you're kind of working towards, you have to realize that the battle to get to that boss, whatever it happens to be, and then being able to overcome it is what brings that sense of satisfaction, is what brings that joy and that happiness. If you skipped the battle, then you don't really appreciate it once you get there, and you just assume, oh, well, it's supposed to be this easy. But then when challenges come, you don't have the skill set to actually be able to overcome. And so, things to keep in mind as you go throughout this week. Whatever dream or goal that you set before yourself, you have to understand that it's going to be more difficult as you continue to go. That doesn't mean change directions. That doesn't mean stop and you can't go forward. That means now it's time to press in. That means it's time to keep going so that you can overcome that boss and reach the next level. With that being said, have a great day, a great week, and I'll see you guys next time.